Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at how to create components in Figma. So basically components are elements that stay the same no matter what, so you can reuse them multiple times and they won't change. It basically makes the whole design way more consistent. Now I'm going to create a component real quick. Let's create one of those pop-up little message icons that you randomly see on websites or something. So this is what I basically want my little icon to look like. So how you're gonna do this is by selecting everything, right click and create component. Now here as you can see, when you go to your assets, you can see the local components. Open up local components, here it is. And in layers, you can open the component one up and here are all the individual elements. Let's get a random phone. Let's copy paste that and there you go, another phone. Now this is the little pop-up thing that pops up. Let's go 80. Now from here on out I can show you how to use these components. What you basically want to know is that this is the main component, and from this component you can create instances. Now how you can do that is by right clicking, doing copy and paste. However, I don't recommend doing it like that. Just hold the Alt key and drag. Well, let's delete this instance right here. Let's right click the main component right here. Go to main component and add variant. Here as you can see, you can have a whole other variant of the main component. Let's do a small change right there, and there you go. Oh, there's actually a thing here that's really annoying, but I'm just gonna ignore that for now. Here you go. If you take a look at the layers, as you can see, here's the variant 2, here's the default, and I select the default. The top guy gets highlighted. If I select the variant 2, this guy gets highlighted, and there you go. That's how to create components in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.